In this video, I will show you exactly how to connect your JumpTask account to Binance to make your withdrawals as smooth as possible. JumpTask is a great way to earn passive income, and the ability to move those earnings to a major exchange like Binance is a game changer for most users. The process begins with your wallet because JumpTask primarily operates on the Binance Smart Chain. You first need to ensure your MetaMask or Trust wallet is connected to the JumpTask dashboard. Once your earned JMPT tokens are in your wallet, you are halfway there. Now you need to open your Binance app and head to the deposit section. Search for the network specifically labeled as BNB Smart Chain BP20 to get your unique deposit address. It is very important that you copy this address exactly because any mistake could result in lost funds. After copying the address, go back to your crypto wallet and select the JMPT or BNB you wish to transfer. Paste the Binance deposit address and confirm the transaction. You will notice that the transfer is usually very fast, and once the network confirms it, your balance will appear in your Binance Spot wallet. This allows you to trade your earnings for other currencies or even cash out to your bank account.